Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of editing. So like I said in my previous video, in the video editing, I said I was going to show you how I edit my thumbnail. So here we go. So the first place you want to click on is your KineMaster. As always, click on the KineMaster Pro app. Okay, this is the last work we did, you remember. We are going to go back and it will bring us here. Click on that plus sign in the middle here. It will bring us to select aspect ratio, which I always go for 16:9. Why we are coming here now is maybe you forgot to snap picture after your cooking video or after your hair tutorial video or whatever video you made and you forgot to snap picture. The best and easiest way to screenshot it is to come to this your KineMaster Pro app, and once you're here now, you just click on media and select the raw file. Don't select the exported files or the ones you've worked on before. Go straight to the raw file. So after making videos, don't be in a hurry to delete all the clips. Make sure you've done everything necessary. Publish it on YouTube before you can delete anything so you don't miss any part. So I'm going to click on that raw file again, and it will bring us here. This is where we are again. So I'm going to now drag this thing front and back to see where I want to snapshot. This is not good. I'm going to go back where I said bye guys and I was smiling, like here. I like this one. So I'm going to okay, but before then, what I will do now is that I'm going to write something on it, maybe like how to edit thumbnail. So I'm going to click on layer. As always, click on text and type how to edit thumbnail. Just like so, and click OK. You see, now you can bring it here, you can bring it here, whichever way you want. I think I prefer it to be here. Now to change the font, I'm going to click here. Once it brings me here, then I can select whichever one I want. I can click on Android and see if I like any one here. Click on display and see if maybe let's go for this one. No, I don't like it. Go back there again and go to handwriting. Maybe like this one that says Eagle Lake Regular, and click on it. Click on this tick button. I think this one is okay. Drag it to resize it, make it bigger or smaller, you know. I think this is okay. Now to add a background on that text, I'll just scroll to background color. Just tap here, it will change, and you can also tap it again. It will bring you here where you can change the color. I will tap on yellow. Let's use yellow. Maybe you can make it more lighter, you can make it darker. Did you see how the color is changing? So let's leave it at the darkest part and click here. You see that? Let's change the text itself, the color of the text. You can scroll up here and click on this white circle here and maybe put it red. Is that going to be okay? play around with it. I'm just giving you any color, anyhow color, because if I'm making this video for real, obviously I will not be going for all these harsh colors. I will just sit. It takes time. Oh, some people will come and watch video and click thumb down. They don't know what the video content sorry, the video creators, they don't know what they are passing through. The editing, the uploading and everything, it takes time, guys. So you have to relax and do your thing. Make your thumbnail look attractive so that when people see it, they will not hesitate to click. So I'm going to click red and it will change. The shadow, you can always scroll to where it says shadow. Click on the black circle and change, maybe like green. It will not look good, I know. You see, it's not looking good, but I'll just leave it here for the purpose of this video. If you want it to glow, you can come here and turn it on and click on the circle dot. You can always make it dark or light. You see how it's changing. Let's leave it to very dark. I'm going to go for black. You see, let's leave it there for now. So now that we've added this, I'm going to resize it a bit more because it's too big. Yeah, I think that's okay. So next, I'm going to tap on the video clip to brighten it. Come here where it says color adjustment and maybe set it up. This one is not good. Somewhere here. Okay, this is okay. And then the brightness, that's the brightness. This is the contrast. Maybe make it more darker, more lighter. I'm going to leave it somewhere here. Now let's do the color grading. Maybe put it up. It's too, no, I don't like it. The color is too much. Bring it to somewhere here. That's okay. My thumbnail is ready to go. It's simple, guys. Somehow it's simple because I've mastered it, but for you that is still new to all this, you might find it a bit challenging, but it's okay. Just take your time to walk around it. So I'm satisfied now with this thumbnail. I'm going to click on the video clip again and then click on this box here. Then click on capture and save frame at playhead, the one on top. Wait for it to capture. It's done. Now you can delete this by clicking on the delete button. That's that. We are done. Oh, basically that is it. I will show you how to insert the picture on your video on YouTube. Let's go there now. Okay, guys, to put this picture on YouTube, you want to come to your YouTube apps. I have my YouTube app. I have my YouTube Studio app. Every YouTube content creator must have this YouTube Studio app, which is this one. You must have it whether you like it or not. Oh, you must. Don't mind me, guys, but trust me, you need that app in your life to make work easier for you. So I already have it. If you don't have it, you can always go to Play Store and download it. So I'm going to click on it. It will bring us here, so we can now turn it. These videos you are seeing here, these two videos is the one I used to practice this thing before. You know, I told you guys that this thing, I recorded it 2 times before I was able to get it on the third one. I know the third one is not, doesn't have much details, but that's the one I prefer. So I've already uploaded some on YouTube to see how the quality will look like when I'm playing it on YouTube, or if people are watching it on YouTube. So that's why you are seeing this here. So we are going to work on this one that says how to edit thumbnail. Once you tap on it, it will bring you here. So next thing is to tap on this pencil icon on top right hand side here. This is where you do all your editing. You add your title here. Let's add the title, how to edit thumbnail. You can add any title depending on the title of your video, okay? It doesn't have to be how to edit thumbnail. Here you see here is your description. You can type all your ingredients in your description box. When I say after watching this video, click on the description box to see all the ingredients I used. This is the description we always talk about. And here you have your privacy. You can either choose to put it on public, on unlisted, private, and scheduled. That's how this works. But I always put my videos on private, so that after editing, making sure that I've gathered everything on this video, then I will publish it. If you go to my videos now, you see that I have videos lined up. I'm releasing them one after the other. That's why you guys are always surprised, like, Fantastic Favour, how do you always post videos without, missing in action? I film videos before time, edit them, upload it on YouTube, and set it to private. Okay, so when I'm comfortable releasing the video, I just come to privacy, hit that public, and everybody will get notification. It will be ringing on your phones, bagam bagam bagam, So this is where you tag your video, so that when people come on YouTube to search for something, your videos will always pop up. And if they like the picture they see, they can always click on it and watch. That is how you get views. Okay, make sure you always tag your videos. And when you are tagging it, let me give you one example. I already tagged some. You can write anything you think people are searching on YouTube. Just use your brain and ask yourself, what are those things people are looking for on YouTube? Is it how to cook beans? And after writing it, make sure you write comma. It is very important. You must put that comma. If you don't put it, what you are doing here is not making any meaning at all. So you must add that comma. That is the proper way to tag your video. You can always do this on your Chrome website if you are using Chrome to upload your videos, but I always come here to edit my videos, and it is very simple and quick for me. So whichever one you type in, you must write comma. You must type comma. So I've already said how to cook beans, comma. Cook with me, comma. Clean with me, comma. You see, anything I write, I put comma. Just think of what people like to watch on YouTube and type in. It doesn't have to be these things I'm typing here. Once you are done with that, come up back here, click on monetization. That is, if YouTube have started monetizing your video, it will be off like this. When you click on the monetization, then you can turn it on and your video is monetized. Okay, here is advanced settings. You can go there and do more settings yourself, but let's go back to basic info. So now we want to change this thumbnail because this is not the one we did, the one I just showed you. I'll click on edit thumbnail. You see that video that YouTube have already recommended 3 for you. They always recommend 3 for you, so you can choose from either of those three. And usually their recommended thumbnail is not always what we want to use, so you want to use that one you made by yourself. Here is what you will do. Let's say I'm using the one YouTube recommended. So in order to get here, you have to click on this place. It will say custom thumbnail. Here it says change because I already have picture here, but usually it will say custom thumbnail. So you want to click on that custom thumbnail. But first, somebody was saying that she cannot be able to add her own picture, that it's always the ones YouTube recommended for her. That is probably because you've not verified your account on YouTube. You need to verify your account, become a YouTube partner before you can be able to select and add your own thumbnail. That is that. So click on that change, since I have changed there. If had it been it's I've not added any picture before, it will say custom thumbnail. So whenever you click on the custom thumbnail, the first one you see is the last one you finished editing, which is this one. I click on it. This is the one we finished editing now. You remember how to edit thumbnails, sorry. And once you are done, click select, click save to save all the things you did here. If you don't save it, that means everything you did is gone. You have to start all over again. So click save. Just wait for it to finish saving. And that's it, guys. That is basically it. Nothing more and nothing less. Okay, so whenever you want to publish this video, you can always tap on the pencil icon. It will bring you back here. Tap on privacy, put it on public, and click save. It will go public. Everybody will see the video, but I'm not going to do that because this video is rubbish. This particular one now is nothing, so I'm going to set it back to private. Click save. And can you see this key, this blue key button here? That is the sign of public. That means that the video is still, sorry, sign of private. That is to say that the video is still on private. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you've learned something again today, and I hope you give me your thumbs up. It will really mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, you can always ask your question in the comment section below. I will try my best to answer your questions. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.